no matter the hurdle, Nigeria project is worth our time. There is no government that will have more than 30 governors. National Assembly is a Tinubu DAYCARE. You have INEC. The INEC Chairman is an APC Chieftain. You control judiciary, control police. Yet you are afraid of one venue for opposition to gather and do convention. It then means you have a problem and you need to go and deal with it. Because for 2027, the power of the people must be greater than the criminals in power. What is Tinubu afraid of? If you have done so well, you have taxed people, you have borrowed money, why are you afraid of free and fair election? So no matter the challenge, one thing we must learn from this ADC convention is that no matter the pressure that was put for it not to hold, we have held the convention. So no matter the force that they do not want to leave in 2027, Nigerians will come out and retire this bunch of criminals from office.
Oh, sorry. What should Nigerians look for at the end of the convention? What
Nigerians should look forward to is a platform for them to know that their lives matter. Until your votes begin to count, your life will not count. You cannot have a country where they will kill people in Plateau. City boy president will go to Jos and end in the airport. It is because he does not have any responsibility to do. So for 2027, Nigerians must know that it is not about ADC, it is about your life. So it is against Nigerians, it is Nigerians against the handful of criminals who have hijacked power for the sake of power and unable to perform. So it is a fight for our lives and our survival. 2027, do not sit on the fence. Remember, silence in the face of oppression is standing with the oppressor, not the oppressed. Get your PVCs, get registered, and be ready to vote and retire this bunch of criminals from office.
What's your message for the youth?
For the youth. The youth are the future of any nation. They have told you a lie that you are future of tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Tomorrow has come. Nigerian youth, wake up and take your destinies in our hands. We are more than 50% of Nigeria. If we want a new president, we have the capacity to pick that president. They want to discourage you, refuse to be discouraged. They are only there to take what you have, to steal from you. It is up to you to say enough. Once a majority say enough, it will be enough.
It has been a huge success because from beginning to now, it has recorded a milestone achievement in terms of approving major resolutions of the National Executive Council. It has also expelled some members of the party whose conduct has fallen short of the constitution of the party. And as you can see now, there are constitutional amendments which the constitution requires that the delegates from the state should vote to affirm the constitutional amendment. And delegates are voting now. Very soon it will be counted, and the decision of the NEC as to the approval of the constitutional amendment will be announced. So far so good. ADC is on course.
Some persons have said INEC is not here. Are you bothered that INEC is not here?
No, INEC's presence here is not mandatory. What is mandatory is that INEC should be informed. And so, having informed them, and they are not here, we have satisfied the requirement of the law. We have given them the 21 days notice. We fulfill the requirement of the law. So we are good to continue with our convention. But there is no law that made it mandatory for them to be here.
What should Nigerians look forward to at the end of this?
Well, Nigerians should look forward to a very robust opposition party that is prepared, gathering momentum, and building up to challenge APC in 2027. We have also approved new social contract, which is the general principles and the manifesto of the party. And the convention has approved that every aspirant must campaign with the manifesto of the party. The National Convention also approved that everybody elected on the platform of this party must be held accountable. So those are the new inputs, governance inputs from this convention.
You saw PDP and APC during their convention, they did consensus. But you are going along with voting. Why are you doing something?
The voting here is not for leadership. It's a constitutional requirement that if a constitution is to be amended, the delegates of the National Convention must vote to accept or reject the amendment. That's why voting is going on.